Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. If you have been to the hospital and they confirm that your fallopian tubes are blocked, either one fallopian tube or both of them, then this home remedy is for you. Why don't you just sit back, relax and enjoy this video while I show you what you can do. A lot of the doctors that we want to do some procedures for them to remove the blocked the things that block the tube. They will do some procedures to remove what is blocking the fallopian tube. But in this video right here, I want to show you a simple home remedy that you can do to unblock your fallopian tubes without doing all those procedures in the hospital. This home remedy, guys, tested and trusted. Like the home remedy actually works. Like if you can take it accordingly, it works, trust me. And all you'll be needing for this home remedy, guys, is onions. You can see it in my plate. All you'll be needing is onions. I don't think there's anyone who doesn't have onions in their house. Like a lot of us will cook with onions. Like onions, yeah, you know, when you see some, like there's a lot of home remedies containing onions. Onions is good for your hair. Onions is good for your body. And today I want to show us how we can use this onion to flush out that thing that is blocking your tubes. I don't care if it's one tube or both of the tubes. We are going to flush it out. Like we are flushing it out right now, like right now, guys, with this onion. Anyways, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. All you need for this home remedy, like I said, is onion. And on my plate I have these white onions and I have the red onions right here. Alright, this is red onions and this is white onions. You will be needing white onions for this home remedy, not red onions. Different colors of onions, they have different benefits they have. Alright, so we are using white onions. Don't tell me I don't have white onions, can I use red onions? No, you'll be using white onions for this home remedy. And if you look at the sizes of these onions, they're actually very medium sizes, regular. So if you have this kind of sizes at home, then you need 2 of them. But if you have like a big one, then you need one big, something like this, one big onions. All right, if you have the small size, you should use two medium or one big onion. What you will do, okay, when you need the onions, you also need your water. This is 250 ml of water, of drinking water. 250 ml. Where's the measurement? Use a measuring cup, guys. This is 250. I don't know if you can see it, guys. It has to be clean water, either water that you boiled, or you have to be mineral water. I mean, just use something drinkable to do this home remedy. So 200 ml, 250 ml of water, and then you need onions. It can be one big onions or you have 2 medium-sized onions. What you will do, you're just going to slice this onion into pieces. Like you just slice them into square, slice them not very small like you want to fry them in oil. Just chop them, chop the onions, alright, chop them, and then put your water in the pot. Put your water in the pot and you add in your sliced onion. Make sure you take out the peelings. You don't want the peelings. Take out the peelings, wash it clean, chop the onions, put them in the pot with the 250 ml of water. Boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure it boils for 5 to 10 minutes. Once you finish boiling it, drain the water. When you drain the water, let it cool a bit. You don't want to take it hot so it doesn't burn your throat or your tongue. Make sure it cool a bit and you take it lukewarm. Alright, take it 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night. 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night. Do this for 7 days straight. There is nothing like I'm stopping today, tomorrow I'm going to resume. No, when you start this home remedy, make sure you have enough onions at home. Make sure you make out time to prepare this and take them every day for 7 days. 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night. So you're not in this home remedy, you're not blending the onions. Please do not blend. Do not blend the onions. Just slice the onions, slice and put into the pot with the water. Once you've boiled for 10 to 5 minutes, you strain the water. You need only the water. Don't chew the boiled onions. Don't eat it. You know, don't use it. No. you're needing only the water, because already all the things from the onion is already infused into the water. So you're drinking only the water, 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass at night. Anyway, the amount of water you get from what after you boiled everything, that's what you're drinking, everything. Okay, so don't add water. You say, oh, it's not up to 1 glass, I need to add water to make it 1 glass, or the water is very small, or no. The amount of the 250 ml of water, that's what you'll be using. When you boil it, you strain it, drink it like that. Everything at a go. Don't drink and say, I'll drink small now. After 20 minutes, I'll go and drink the remaining half. Don't drink and keep. Drink it once at a go. Do it morning and night for 7 days, guys. This may look very simple. This onion home remedy, onion recipe may look very simple. Guys, do not take it for granted. It works. Like, I've seen people testify to this onion. People have blocked tubes, and I also have a lot of remedies on my channel. I have some few, not a lot, some few remedies on my channel for fallopian tubes. You can as well check them out. I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below. You can check them as well. This one right here, some of them, there are spices that some people they cannot get the spices, because like maybe where they are located they cannot find those spices there. But this one right here, this is onion. Like, nobody will tell me that they cannot find onion. Yeah, nobody will tell me they can. Anyway, I had someone who came into my inbox and she told me, I have the red onion. It was for another home remedy. She said she cannot find the white onion. I'm like, girl, you need to find the white onion. You need the white onion for that particular recipe that I shared, for that particular home remedy. In this one also, I'm insisting, don't tell me you cannot find white onion. You have only the red one. We are not using red onions for this home remedy. We are using the white onions. White. Okay, so make sure, try your best, find the white one and use it, and you're going to have great results, trust me. And above all, make sure you always pray. Like I said, put everything in prayers, do your best, and let God do the rest. Have faith where you're doing it. Have faith, guys, and I know that it's going to work for you. So guys, go right ahead. If you're watching this video and doctor have told you that your tubes are blocked, what are you waiting for? Start doing this home remedy now. Start taking it now. Start taking it now to flush out whatever that is blocking that tubes. We need to flush them out, okay? We don't have time. Flush it out, girl. Just go ahead and flush it. Anyways, if you enjoy watching this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section down below this video, and I'm going to get right back at you. If this is your first time watching my video, if this is your first time coming across my channel, hi, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. Do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. I have a lot of interesting videos on my channel. Just check it out. Go to the videos on my channel and you'll see a whole bunch of them. For my returning viewers, thank you so much for your love and your support. I see you guys. I appreciate you guys. Anyway, that'll be all for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'll see you again in my next one. Do have a great day. Bye.